Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
All right, tech enthusiasts, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, just launched here in India. If you thought foldables couldn't get sleeker or smarter, think again. The Z Fold 7 5G is here to push boundaries, and trust me, it's packing some serious upgrades. First up, the design. At just 4.2 millimeters thin when unfolded and only 215 grams, it feels impossibly light for what it does. I'm loving the color options: blue shadow, silver shadow, jet black, and mint. Super premium, and honestly, it feels like holding the future in your hand. The big star, as always, is the display. It's an 8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED. Yes, 8 inches. With a stunning 120 Hz refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness, and a punch-hole camera right on top. When you close it, you get a second display on the cover, 6.5 inches, also 120 Hz, and toughened with Gorilla Glass ceramic too. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just watching YouTube, everything pops. On the inside, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB of UFS 4 storage, and the blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Android 16 with One UI 8 keeps things buttery smooth, whether I'm running heavy apps or jumping between split screens. And with a 4400 mAh battery, 25W fast charging, and wireless options, I'm not worrying about running out of juice halfway through the day. The camera setup is wild. A 200MP main shooter with OIS and multi-directional autofocus, a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide, all with HDR and panorama features. I can shoot 8K video at 30 fps, or slow things down to 960 fps at 720p for those epic moments. Selfies? Both the front and cover cameras are 10MP ultra-wide with up to 4K 60 video. Tech heads, connectivity is stacked. Dual SIM, eSIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C 3.2, all the GPS standards, NFC and IP48 water and dust resistance. There's even reverse wireless charging for your earbuds or smartwatch. No headphone jack, but at this level, that's hardly a deal breaker. Now, the price, Rs1, $74,999, or about $2,040. That's a serious investment. But if you're looking for power, versatility, and next-level multitasking, the Z Fold 7 is in a league of its own. So, is the Fold life for you? If you love cutting-edge tech, crave productivity, and want a phone that's as much tablet as it is smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a stunning leap into the future. Let me know in the comments. Are you ready to make the fold?
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.